Alright, so we've got an application here. Pretty impressive resume from a J. Christ. Job applying for creator of the universe. Education and experience. He put the infinity symbol. Special skills. He also went with the infinity symbol. Previous positions. Preacher. Carpenter. Civil engineer. Hey, Jim Schultz here for F-Cubed and LiveFcubed.com, and we are inside the Faith F tonight, man, inside the cube. We're going to have a little bit of fun with it. We're going to make the case that God's definitely got his exterior design game on point. So, thank you for popping in. If this is your first time here, man, make sure that you subscribe and hit that bell so you don't miss any of our unsuitable commentary or below average humor. So to make the case tonight that God's definitely got some pretty sick engineering skills, we're just gonna look at the relationship between the sun and the moon. Actually, we're not gonna do that. Between the earth and the sun. And let's start with the size of the earth. At just about a Grand Canyon shy of 200 square miles, it's perfect. Any smaller, and we'd be in Mercury with no atmosphere. Any larger, we'd be at Jupiter with an atmosphere housing nothing but free hydrogen. And that ain't good, man, because here on Earth, we humans, we like our hydrogen to be manufactured. Nope, Earth's size is perfect. And it's the only planet that has the right atmospheric mix of different gases to sustain plant, animal, human, even Instagram influencer life form. Okay, so how about the distance between the Earth and the sun? Man, this thing is just a couple Chicago city blocks short of 93 million miles. And once again, perfection. I mean, consider the usual temperature swings on our planet. From about minus 30 on the low end, up to about plus 120 on the high end. If we were any further away from the sun, man, we'd freeze to death. And if we were any closer, we would instantly all burn up. I mean, even the tiniest little variance of the Earth's positioning relative to the sun would make life form on this planet utterly impossible. And lastly, let's not forget that all this is happening while the Earth is rotating around the sun at a crisp 67,000 miles per hour while spinning on its own axis at a leisurely pace of 1,000 miles an hour. Woo! Man, that was a lot to take in. Let's slow it down for all my ladies in the house. Little Q&A time. Question number one, how fast does the Earth spin in miles per hour again? 1,000 miles per hour. That is 20x the top speed of my Honda Civic in the express lane. Question number two, how far away is the Earth from the sun in kilometers? Carry the 3, cross multiply. Please excuse my dear Aunt Sally. I have no idea. And lastly, question number 3, let's wrap it up with a light and easy one. So how do we take all this and how do we prove God's existence? Proof of God's existence, in my opinion, is no clearer seen than finding God in nature, just like we've done. I mean, the distance between the sun and the earth just happened to be perfect by chance? Really? Really? Nah. Hey, thank you guys so much for hanging with us tonight. I hope maybe you learned a couple of things, maybe even cracked a smile or two along the way. If you want to hit me with a like, a share, a subscribe, or the trifecta, that would be amazing. But stay tuned, because coming up next, we're going to find a little more God in nature, where we're going to look at water. We're going to look at pure, clean, unfiltered water. So not Chicago water, regular water.